Did you know that you can make money on YouTube without ever making videos by doing this certain thing that no one ever talks about? So there are many different ways that you can make money on YouTube without ever making videos, and here today is something that no one really ever talks about, and it's a new method that people are doing right now on YouTube. And I'm going to show you today some of the channels out there that are doing it. So as you can see on the screen right now, here's an example of a YouTube channel which actually translates their YouTube channel and gets, look how many views Mr. Beast is getting. He hasn't posted in a while on it, but as you can see, the most popular videos are getting, literally, he's got quite a few videos, almost basically on 100 million. One is over 100 million, and this is literally basically like printing money if you think about it, because he's literally creating videos from his main channel, which is in English, and he's translating it to, in this case, Spanish. And this is very, very smart, and this is what Mr. Beast has been doing for the past few years, as you can tell. But there are actually many other people out there who are creating videos just like this and translating them and getting paid a lot by doing it. And actually in some cases, which I'm about to show you, they're actually making more on their translated YouTube channel instead of the actual original English one. Really, it just depends on what style of videos you're making, but I'm telling you right now, this is a great opportunity you want to tap into, especially if you already have an existing YouTube channel that's successful and you want to tap into an area which you can outsource this content to. So you might be wondering, how do they do it? How can they just translate my YouTube videos? Surely that's impossible. Well, let me show you right now. As you can see, we are on Fiverr, and I've just typed in translate YouTube channel, and look how many people are offering this as a service. You can get someone to translate it in Spanish. The same guy does it in French. You can see here people are doing it for TikTok, people are doing it for Spanish, people are doing it for Czech, people are doing it for Korean, French, you name it. There's many different languages that you can actually get your YouTube channel translated to. So it really depends on what you're trying to go for. Obviously, Spanish and French is quite a big language to get it translated to. So Mr. Beast did it, as you can see here. He translated his YouTube channel, everything, literally some of his main videos he's translated here, and I can only guess how much he's made from this. For example, in the last 30 days, he's got 32 million views, and he hasn't even posted for the last 6 months. So you can imagine how much in ad revenue he's getting. So as you can see here, I'm using this website called socialblade.com, and I've typed in Mr. Beast's Spanish channel. And as you can see, he created it in 2021, so it wasn't even that long ago. And he has now got 2.7 billion views on his channel. And apparently, according to Social Blade, it's somewhere between £61,000 and almost £1 million in ad revenue, which is incredible. Like, that is incredible. And he's gained over 100,000 subscribers for the last 30 days. He hasn't posted in half a year on this YouTube channel, and it's just raking in views. It's evergreen content from his main YouTube channel, and you know, this is just incredible that he's able to do something like this, you know, and people out there are also doing it as well. Let's get into more examples. So Animal Wise is another YouTube channel in which they create videos regularly. Some of their videos, you know, get a couple hundred views. But this is where it gets interesting. As you can see here, this channel has 555,000 subscribers, but here is another one of their channels. It has almost 300,000 subscribers, and to be honest, some of these videos are getting more views, and this is actually, I believe, their Italian YouTube channel. And as you can see, it says location Italy. This is their YouTube channel, and they've basically translated the channel, and they're making extra money through it, literally double the amount. This is their channel here, and all they've done is translate the videos, and apparently Social Blade says they could earn up to 20,000 extra in yearly income, which is still incredible for just translating videos you've already created. You know, they've got 56 million views. You know, what a great way to earn extra income through YouTube channels, by starting up more channels without even showing your face or making videos yourself. You can do this. As you can see, they're not even getting 1 million views every single month, and they're able to get this much money coming in as well. And that isn't even where it stops. We're going to go into further into this video about how you can actually earn extra money from these translated YouTube channels, not just from the ad money that I'm showing you right now on here. So this here is another YouTube channel from the same company that did their channel in Italian. This is in French. As you can see here, they're also getting views on this YouTube channel. So you can only wonder, how many YouTube channels have they actually created here and translated it to in different languages, which is very interesting. Obviously, you can go out and do the same. You can translate your YouTube videos into different languages and test out what works. 2,000 subscribers for the last 30 days. They've got over 1 million views from the last 30 days. Imagine an extra 1 million views that you can get. And their estimated monthly income is from £164 to £2,600 and up to £31,000 in estimated yearly earnings. Obviously, they're literally just reusing videos they've already posted online, and making money through it. Like, why wouldn't you do that? It's just a no-brainer, really. You can just do it if you have the team in place and you use people from a platform such as Fiverr to actually do this for you. You can partner up with them, and maybe you can come up with some sort of deal with them to create these videos for you, and it's just a no-brainer, like I said. There's even people offering you to get the SRT file, which is basically the captions file that you can get, and you can use it to even post on stuff like TikTok, for example. It's another idea that you can do, and you can target these people who speak different languages. And if you want to learn about how you can actually get stock footage for your videos, then I'd recommend to get this paid service, which is called Storyblocks. As you can see on the screen, it's £29 per month, which I believe is about $45 or $50 every single month. And this is all you need, really. You just need the HD 4K footage. You have a few templates that you can use, and you can send it to your video editor to have access to it, and they even might have access to it already, I don't know. So by using a thing such as this, ClickBank, you're able to find products that you can sell on these translated YouTube channels in maybe Italian or French or Spanish, whatever language it is, and you're able to sell that product to these people and make extra income from it. You want to find products that are between $200 to $500, and in that way you're able to make a lot of money from each product that sells. So there's just an extra tip for you there if you want to use it. Here is the Tube Mastery and Monetization course that you can actually go ahead and run with. It goes more into detail about how you can actually create channels just like this, and how you can be successful from it and make extra money from YouTube. So check it out down in the description. If you want to find out how you can get views on YouTube with no subscribers, then check out this video over here and it will dive more into detail.